Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll show you how you can make Marvel's Rival work in two Astro workplaces. So this one is the first workplace, and as you can see I can control it with this keyboard and mouse, and this is the second one and I'm controlling this with keyboard and mouse here. Now let me change this to light mode and so that it's better clear. Okay, so let me run Steam. Now you can see here I have two different Steam accounts running here. This one is running the first account. Let me zoom in. Okay, so this one is running first account. Okay, so both of them are running different accounts, and let me start the game on this one first, and let me show that what option you have to change in order for it to work properly. Now this is the Marvel launcher, and you have to check from Task Manager Details tab, and you can see that it is Marvel Rival launcher here, this one, and this is running under RAPI Robis STHA account, user account on Windows. Now in the application itself, click the settings button and then choose exit launcher when the game starts. You have to choose this option, otherwise it will not allow you to launch the game on the second workplace. So after checking it, click confirm and run the game here. Now moving on to the second account, second workplace, let me zoom in. Now let me first wait for it to open here, and if you check here, the launcher.exe will exit itself after the game has properly started. This one, you have to wait for Marvel Rivals launcher exe to exit itself out before running it on the second workplace. Now it just exited itself. Now let me minimize this. We have to do one more thing before we can run the game on the second place, and you can notice that here is a file called marvel.exe. This is the anti-cheat for the Marvel Rivals game, and let me put it in windowed mode. Now as you can see, the game has started and logging in. Please wait, let it finish. Now we can skip this one. Now you are in the lobby, right? So you can go and start the game or whatever. Now going back to the task manager, we have to exit the marvel.exe, otherwise in the second workplace it will show as game is running. So right click on the marvel.exe and choose end tasks and end process. Now let's move on to the second workplace, this one. Let me play, and we can notice here the launcher has started with a different user account 02. Now you can see here the launcher is showing as launch and not as game is running. Now we can launch the game here. Let me zoom out a bit. On the second workplace also you can choose the option to exit the launcher when the game has started, but I have not set it so, but you can set it as well if you have more workplaces. Now if we look here in the task manager, let me zoom it out a bit. Sorry. Okay, so if you see here, we have two instances of Marvel Win64 shipping.exe running, and one is for the first account of first workplace and the other is for the second workplace. And you can also notice that the marvel.exe is only one instance. We don't have marvel.exe running for the first user account. Now if you look here, the second workplace has the game running now. Let me put this in the full screen. Now you can see it's logging in here. Okay, it's logged in. Let me skip and go play. And let me add a user account. I'm going to add this user account on that one and invite for game. Okay, request to join. Here you can see the request to join. I accept. Now the game has been joined, and I can go through the quick match and other stuff, but I have not tried it yet. Let me change the mode to custom match so that I don't get any bans or some penalties for exiting the game. Now I'm in the games lobby and I can move the users around. So team A, team B, now start, and the game is running now in 2 ASTER workplaces. And everything is running in my this Minis Forum UM790 Pro, and it has integrated graphics, which is more than enough for this game. And as you can see now, currently I have not configured the audio output for this and this workplace to be separate, but this one has its own integrated audio from the HDMI, and this is going through the Bluetooth right now. Let me choose a hero and confirm here. Okay, so the hero has been chosen now in this game, and the game will start next. Okay, so as you can see, I can control the hero like this. This is the second workplace, and this is the first one. Okay, as you can see here, and it's working perfectly. And I'm not sure about running it in online game, as it may ask for the anti-cheat is running or not. As you saw earlier, we have exited the anti-cheat program marble.exe for this workplace, and only for this one is running. So your mileage may vary whether you can run the game in player versus player mode or in like ranked match or something like that. So let me go find the hero on the other side. Okay, let me take this one out also. Okay. Okay, I think I can find the other character here. Okay, somewhere around here. Attack, RAM or something like that. Okay, so you can see here the 2 instances of Marble Rivals running in ASTER Workplaces. So if you have any question, don't forget to mention in the comment below, and thank you for watching this video.